Hello, welcome to my channel. The name is Plunkett. The channel is JVLOGS. So today, mini clip, I'll be looking at why am I doing my GED, some of the benefits of doing your GED, and some of the negative things that people say about people that are doing their GED. So as you know already, I'm from Jamaica, and back home we do not have GED. What we have back home is CXC, which stands for Caribbean Examination Council. These are subjects like language art, information technology, science, maths, just to name a few. When you're at grade 11 is when you're required to do your CXC. However, you can do it at grade 9 or grade 10 if you're at that stage. Getting your CXC allows you to get into college. It is a prerequisite to get into college, and you have to get 5 CXCs or more to get into college, which includes maths and English to get into college. Also, you put it on your resume and you can get jobs with your CXC. Now, coming to the US, you have what is called a GED, which is General Education Development. So it is equivalent to the high school diploma, so people just call it the high school diploma. I am doing my GED because it is important to be educated. I'm from Jamaica and I don't know much about the United States history. I don't know much about their government, and I'm learning this right now. So there's so much stuff that I never knew about this country, and I'm learning it because I'm doing my GED. And I'm happy that I actually, went and do it. There's no shame in doing your GED. It is really good because education is the key and it helps you to better yourself. So for me, I don't see it as anything bad. I don't see it as something somebody should shun you for. Why are people putting you down because you're trying to educate yourself and uplift yourself by doing your GED? Remember, everyone goes through stuff differently. Some people might not have the access to do their GED while they were in. Some people might drop out of high school. Some people, go through different things in life, so we should not judge them if they're doing their GED at age 35 or 45 or whatever age it is. Everybody have the right to fair education. Everyone have that right. So you should not condemn somebody for wanting to do their GED or doing their GED. And let me tell you this, if you are around people that are down on you and telling you, hey, this and that, you shouldn't be doing your GED, it makes no sense to be doing your GED. Don't listen to that negative talk. You're educating yourself. It will help you in the long run. Some stuff that you even miss from high school, it is being reinforced when you do your GED. Right? So that reinforcement actually helps you to remember simple stuff that you have passed 10, 15 years ago. So it is really important, and there's nothing wrong with learning. So for you to be doing your GED and someone tell you that, hey, you should be doing your GED, that means they don't want you to better yourself. They don't want you to learn. They don't want you to go, one step further. So be careful of people that tell you, hey, you're not supposed to be doing GED. You're too old for that. All that negative thought, just brush it aside and just continue to do it. The GED is very important, and I'm doing my GED, and I don't care what people want to say about that. I know where I'm going. I'm confident in myself. I'm proud of who I am, and the things I do. So, I hope they shed some light on the whole issue. Just be confident with whatever you do. It's education. At least you're going to school. You're learning. You're continuously learning rather than sitting on a corner smoking or whatever it is, or idling. Education is good. So continue to push on, continue to do your GED, pass your GED, get them. Be proud of yourself. Don't be ashamed of it. It's you that is doing your GED. Self-fulfillment. You shouldn't be listening to what people have to say about it. Just go ahead and push on and do it for you. So I'll end this here. Thanks for watching. Again, thanks for supporting JVLOGS. Thanks for supporting me through everything. And yes, I've gotten back my files. and I'm really happy about that. So yeah, I'm feeling good about all my files and all my video that's, you know, here again. So thanks for watching again. Remember, JVLOGS.